Hello everyone, welcome back to Foppex. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer calls using the 3CX web client. Let's dive in. When you receive a call, you'll see a pop-up notification. You click the green button to answer the call. Now let's transfer this call. There are two ways to do this, an attended transfer and a blind transfer. Let's start with the attended transfer. While on the call, you click Attended Transfer. You enter the extension number or you search for the contact of the person you want to transfer the call to. You click to call. This will place the current call on hold and dial the extension. Once the person answers, let them know you were transferring a call. Finally, you click Join to complete the transfer. Next, let's do a blind transfer, which transfers the call without speaking to the other person first. While on the call, you click the transfer button on the call control panel. You enter the extension number or search for the contact and click to call. After the transfer is complete, the call will disappear from your call panel, confirming that it has been successfully transferred. That's it. Now you know how to transfer a call using the 3CX Web Client version 20. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.